Everyone, I hope you all are good and safe. Today we will study English Grammar Standard 5th Chapter 1. Okay, so this is a Chapter 1, the sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order to give a complete sense. See, read the following group of words. Bought vegetables the market from I bought vegetables from the market. See, the first group of words does not make any sense, whereas the second group of words follows the three rules of making a sentence. What are the three rules? It makes complete sense, it begins with a capital letter, and it ends with a full stop. See, in simple words, a sentence is a group of words in correct order that makes sense. Letters from words and words make the sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, next is the main and basic feature of a sentence is that it must a complete sense. It can be of one word or two words. Let us see how certain single words make a complete sense. Example, eat, walk, sleep, run, stop, etc. All these words make complete sense. No sentence can be completed without a verb. Always remember, a sentence should always have a verb. See, now look at these group of words. At 10 o'clock, for 2 hours, in a corner, on the table, in the east, in the west, by day, by night, at daybreak, in the daytime. These group of words make sense but not complete sense. Such group of words are called phrases. See, in simple words, a phrase is a group of words that adds meaning to a sentence. A phrase is not a sentence because it is not a complete idea with a subject, verb and a predicate. Okay, I hope that you have understood the sentence and phrases. This is your exercise 1. We have already completed this exercise. Just go through it. Now come to this kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences and exclamatory sentences. We will study one by one. Okay, so first one is assertive sentences. What is assertive sentences? A sentence that declares or asserts a statement, feeling, an opinion or an event is called an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Assertive sentences ends with a full stop. Always remember, assertive sentences end with a full stop. In simple language, this sentence relates to facts, thoughts, opinions and end with a full stop. Example, David loves traveling with friends. See examples. He is a careful driver. The flowers look fresh. Ravina is an intelligent girl. The sun rises in the east. These sentences tell or state something. Declarative or assertive sentences make a statement. They tell us something. Okay, second is imperative sentences. What is imperative sentences? A sentence that makes a request, gives a command, an order or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Imperative sentences also end with a full stop. See, in simple language, an imperative sentences express an order, request, command and suggestion. Imperative sentences gives a command. See examples, go to the grocery shop, stand up and answer the question, stay away from fire, please pass me some salt, Sam, shut the door. In the above sentences, a command is given or a request is made for something to get done. So these are imperative sentences. Third one is interrogative sentences. What is interrogative sentences? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences always ends with a question mark. In simple language, interrogative sentence means a sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence asks a question, they ask something. See examples, when did you will come to my house? Question mark. Whose notebooks is this? Second is, when are you coming back? How old are you? Did you finish your homework? In the above sentences, something is being asked. So these all are interrogative sentences. Always remember, interrogative sentences ends with a question mark. Okay, so fourth one is exclamatory sentences. What is exclamatory sentences? A sentence that expresses strong emotion or feeling is called an exclamatory sentences. It is a statement that presents an exclamation. See, in simple words, a sentence that expresses some strong, unexpected and extraordinary emotion, and they always end with an exclamation mark. See examples, please talk me now, what a beautiful painting it is, what a delicious mango it is, what a noise they are making, how beautiful this rose is. Sentences which express which express some strong, sudden feelings such as that of surprise, joy, excitement, etc., are called exclamatory sentences. Such sentences always end with an exclamation mark. Okay, I hope you all have understood the kinds of sentences. These are your exercises. We have already completed these exercises. Just go through it, students. Thank you.